Hello and welcome to Big Niger Media TV. The authorities announced on Wednesday that an explosion that rocked more than 20 buildings in one of the Nigerian biggest cities during the night claimed 3 lives and injured 77 more. Rescuers are searching for others who may have been trapped under the structure. Around 7:45 p.m. on Tuesday, a huge explosion rocked the heavily populated city of Ibadan in southern state of Oyo, sending many residents running for their lives. Following the visit to the site in Bodija neighborhood of Ibadan, Oyo State Governor informed reporters that investigation indicates that the explosion was brought on by explosive kits for use in illicit mining operation. The governor declared that the damage was unbelievable and also added that first responders and all relevant agencies within Oyo State to carry out comprehensive search and rescue operations. 3 people have died as a result of the collapsed structure, and rescue teams are still looking through them. The coordinator of Nigerian National Emergency Management Agency in the area confirmed this to address the press on Wednesday morning, who keep the explosive in storage was not immediately apprehended and no arrest has been made public. The governor declared that the investigations are ongoing. The governor also announced that the majority of the 77 injured has already been released from hospital and has pledged to pay for the treatment of those who were still in hospital, as well as give temporary housing to those whose houses were damaged. Thank you for watching Big Niger Media TV, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated on trading news in Nigeria.